Dear audience, thank you for your silent presence. We will present our scientific contribution in the case of the International Renewable and Sustainable Energy Conference, entitled A Review on the Horizontal Axis Current Turbine Blade Performance Enhancement Method, Numerical Models, and EI concept used for the blade composite structure assessment context in industry. The presentation is prepared and assisted by Omar Rajad, Engineering and PhD. So the table of contents, we introduce the subjects, we present the different experimental testing of the wind blade, the presentation of a different way to develop the mathematical and numerical model using a lot of software, artificial intelligence consideration regarding the health monitoring of the blade, and other purposes. In conclusion, to introduce, as you know, the blade designer have interested in the mechanical assessment of the blade, such as crack, failures, and plastic behavior and other purposes. There are a lot of experimentation to assess the blade. To characterize different damage of the blade, we use numerical and mathematical models to develop the physical phenomenon. New emerging industry 5.0 are being used to develop the way we consider the monitoring of the wind blades at different stages. To begin by the experimentation, which is important because we can assess really the different the mechanical behavior of the blade. We can detect different localization of failure using the full-scale model or the subcomponents or the specimen, which is more complex than other things, which is uncertain in different level. So the applies are we can use the safety model as we can use the Wi-Fi failure during the tests. The fatigue tests and statistics are important to assess the blade. We can detect different failure as delamination and other failure breakage, matrix cracking, crashing, and other. For developing mathematical model, the Hooke's law is being used by assessment by characterizing the shear surface, which is important. Using equilibrium equation and kinematic to determine the deformation to assess the rigidity. We can assess the damage initiation by different criteria, as damage evolution to predict the tolerance of the blade, and assess which is time to calculate the released energy. Mathematical and numerical model is being assessed within the software as Abacus, and other parts of NASA to assess the backend, calculate the natural frequencies and other purposes. Here, subroutine, which is due to a lot of calculation to characterize the failure, the other calculation as backend natural frequencies. Here, the new industry that are being used to develop and to assess the different way of calculation of these things, and other ones as maintenance, production, as the health monitoring of the blade using the concept of EI and using the human intelligence with the interface human machine to develop in the basis of autonomous and repetitive actions. Here we present the different way to manufacturing and to characterize the damage and the maintenance of the blade. We can use IoT, which is important in networks, to treatment using cloud and vector to save information. As you know, The valorization is good attention being paid to the concept of industry using AI.